Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating easy bottlenecks. Check that your CPU, GPU, and RAM meet RDR2 needs and free up disk space. Update your graphics drivers now. Once done, switch Windows to high performance and enable game mode. Close background apps, overlays, and cloud sync. These steal CPU cycles and I/O. Then open the Rockstar launcher, verify game files, and set the game's priority to above normal. This establishes a clean environment, so the deeper fixes actually take effect. Now you adjust in-game rendering to trade visual fidelity for stability. Drop resolution one step, or use 1/2 scaling for big FPS gains. Choose Vulkan or DirectX depending on which your GPU handles better. Reduce textures, shadows, and water quality first, and disable costly options like T-Zaw and motion blur. Limit your FPS to a stable number that your GPU can maintain. Once done, enable VSync only if tearing is an issue. Otherwise, keep it off to preserve input responsiveness. Finish with system-level optimizations. Set your GPU profile to maximum performance and give the game higher priority in Task Manager. Ensure your SSD firmware is current, disable aggressive page file trimming, and install the latest Windows updates. Then monitor temperatures and background spikes while playing. If you still see stutter, run a memory test, roll back to a previous driver version, or reinstall RDR2 after a clean driver uninstall. If nothing fixes it, this single troubleshooting tip matters most. Check hardware temps and thermal throttling first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.